Today we're going to make SCOBY Fruit Rollups. For those of you that make kombucha, you know you have a tendency to have a SCOBY hotel and those suckers build up. So today we're going to use some of those to make some fruit roll-ups. We've got some strawberries, fresh strawberries, a silicone mat on a baking sheet, our SCOBYs, about a cup of fruit juice, and a half a cup of sugar. You're also going to need a blender to mix everything up. First thing I'm going to do is pull the tops off my strawberries. Get them ready. I soaked my strawberries in a vinegar and water mixture and then rinsed them because I think it kills off any kind of bacteria or mold that might grow, because strawberries have a tendency to go bad pretty quickly. The next thing we're going to do is fish out a couple of good-sized SCOBYs. Got some really big ones in here. Whew. Okay, I think that might do it. And while I've got my SCOBY hotel out, I'm going to add a little sweet tea, so the ones that remain have something to feed off of. Next thing we're going to do, we've gathered our ingredients. We're going to get out our blender. We're going to blend everything together. Just do a little bit at a time. This is going to get noisy. I think I have to add some more liquid to this. It's a lot more than I anticipated. A little starter bucket from the SCOBY. Go for it. I'm going to add some sugar. Let's see if we can blend it some more. And just add liquid as you need to. Just a little more water. Again, we're just kind of playing it by ear. everybody's blended up. That'll do. One more big shot. Make sure we don't have any big chunks. I don't want any big chunks of anything in there. Nice and smooth. A little thicker than applesauce. And our next step is to pour it out on our silicone-lined baking sheet. And then spread it out. Into one nice smooth layer. Try to get it as even as you can. The thicker it is, the longer it's going to take to bake down. I'm going to put it in a 250-degree oven. You could use a dehydrator, but my dehydrator won't hold this much capacity, so we're going to put it into the oven on 250.